One of the biggest problems is writing content or receiving content, and you can just see that it is written by ChatGPT. Or better yet, when writing short form or long form content, you can just feel that there is too much AI involved. But what if I told you there was a tool that is as good as OpenAI, if not better, and it passes the AI detection test? If you are new to this channel, you've seen me do countless videos on our advanced AI tools that is free to use. And recently, we've added a new feature called Humanizer DTR. Not only will your content pass the AI detection test and write as humanly as possible, but it would also optimize your content, enrich your content with SEO, and align your content with your business, your brand, your website URL, and write and cater towards your audience. Without further ado, let me show you how to use this in your content and how to pass the AI detection test. Okay, so first things first, you can just click the link in the bio or just Google SEO Vendor. You will see that we have a bunch of free advanced AI tools. We are known for having our own patent pending AI technology, and DTR stands for Dynamic Topic Relations. I'll get to this in just a second, but what you're going to do is just sign in for free. And once you are signed in, this is how the overview of your dashboard looks like. So you have AI SEO tools with a bunch of advanced free AI tools that you can use. Then we have SEO GPT-2 and SEO GPT. We also have LLM focusing on large language models, but today we are going to focus on SEO GPT-2. For this example, let's write an article or blog, and let me show you how Humanizer DTR works. So let's select Content Barista, and let's come up with a captivating title. Okay, before we get a title, what is patent pending DTR, Dynamic Topic Relations? This is technology that is designed for simplicity and power. It doesn't just accelerate the content creation process, and it doesn't just enhance and optimize your content. So what it does is it goes through 2 billion possible combinations of tones, personas, content types, etc. to create the best long form content that is aligned with your business and brand. This has a multi-language pilot program as well as alignments. Now, I will get to the alignments in just a second, but let me show you how it works. So let's come up with a title. Okay, so for this example, let's focus on a health shop that sells juices. This website over here is called Juice from the Raw, and they have these build-a-box deals. You can build your own juice selection, and they have several different organic juices to choose from. So let's say we want to write an article or blog for this business and brand. We're going to do an article on the best detox juice to lose weight. Now I'm going to use Title Magic to enhance this title. So you can use Title Magic over and over until you are happy with the title. I like this one: Effective Detox Juice Promotes Weight Loss Effectively. And then you can select your keywords. So for the keywords, I have green juice, organic, and raw. This kind of feels like it's aligning with the brand. And not only this, I would love to show you how keyword alignment works when writing this optimized content. So you'll see in this section with keyword alignment, search engines look at more than exact match keywords. Using a more accurate approach called keyword alignment will relate your keywords to your topic. SEO GPT-2 DTR measures your keyword to topic alignment when creating your content. Now you just select a language and branding, and now all you have to do is enter your brand name and your website URL, and then you can also select your language. There are several different languages to choose from. And over here, you'll see your brand alignment and your site alignment as well. Now with your brand alignment, you'll see it says, if you are writing this content for a business or your own business, chances are you want to ensure the content is a good match for it to rank well. Place the company's brand name to help personalize the content for the company's blog or PR marketing. So now it will actually have a look at your brand and align the content towards your brand. Then you have site alignment. You'll see it says search engines want to see content that is relatively in the same voice and subject matter as the site itself. Position your content for the site where it will be posted by entering the URL. Now it will actually have a look at your site and align your content to your website as well, where the Google algorithm will compliment and reward you on this. You can now select writing options, and now you can select the amount of words. What is your content type? Is it a case study? Is it an off-page guest article, landing page, ebook perhaps? Right now we're just doing an on-page blog article. I'm going to say 1,000 words, and you can now choose your tone. Is it professional, formal, conversational? I'm going to make it educational, and you can choose first, second, or third person, as well as your persona. Now, I've done a video on how you can create your own persona, super easy and very effective. I'll leave that link in the description below, but you can choose any persona that is given to you, like a professional writer or marketing expert, but you can create your own persona as well and write in that persona. For this example, I'm just going to use a professional writer. Now we select advanced options. You can write it, but I'm just going to show you the advanced options. You can select your amount of topics. I'm just going to go for 4 topics. And then for instructions, you can give your article instructions, and SEO GPT will take your instructions and it will apply them into your article in the correct manner. So I'm going to say focus on health benefits. You can then choose your AI engine, and the definitions for each engine is right over here, as well as your content pathway, and the definition to each content pathway is right here. You can then also link the first keyword. I'm now going to select write it, and instantly it will give me my topics. Over here you can reference a certain URL, do internal linking or backlinking, as well as do any edits to your subtopics. I love these subtopics. I'm really happy with it. I'm now going to say confirm all. Now when you scroll down, you'll see that my article is busy being written, and it has all my previous written content right over here. And over here we have AI detection. As you can see, we have developed SEO GPT-2 to produce the most natural written content possible. So you can use these tools to check written.com, which is free, or Content Detector AI, which is also free, or even scribbr.com, which is also free. Not only will this content have a human feel to it, but it will pass the AI detection test. Now, while this content is being written, I'm going to head over to AI SEO tools. I'm going to go to Content Transformer, and you'll see this section here that says Humanizer DTR. You can now further humanize text to bypass detectors. Now this is experimental and it is for pro. Now what this does is you can take any form of content, the content that we've produced, any titles, any descriptions, you can insert your content in this section. You can then transform, let's say using a title, you can transform that title into a optimized title, transform the content into a better title, and you can select Humanizer DTR to further humanize that content. And the same process we took to write the blog, you can enter your keywords, your brand, and your target URL, and it will align your content to your business, your brand, and your target URL. So not only will this relate to your audience and be humanized content, but it will also pass the AI detection test. So I'm going to go back to Content Barista SEO GPT-2, scroll down and see that our article is almost halfway. So let's have a look at some of these previous articles that we have written. I'm just going to select this one right here. Which smoothie is the best for skin? Quite a straightforward title. I'm just going to copy that title, go to AI SEO Tools, Content Transformer. Now let's transform this title. I'm going to keep it as in title. So I'm going to paste my title over there. I'm going to select exciting title. Keywords is optional, so I'm going to leave this open. Brand and URL is optional as well, but I'm actually going to enter the brand and URL. I'm going to go for a longer title, so let's select 10 words. and I'm going to use US English. Now you'll see by AI engine, you can select the newest DeepSeek engine or Meta's Llama engine. The definitions to each engine is right over here, but just for this example, I'm about to select Humanizer DTR and say write it. Now, not only are we optimizing and transforming this title, but we are making it as human as possible with it passing the AI detection test. So now we have a brand new title, an exciting title that says, discover the top rated juice from the raw smoothie for radiant skin. Not only does it pass the AI detection test, but can you see how it incorporated the business and the brand? Now I have a phenomenal title to write the article on and a title that my audience will connect with. So this is how the Humanizer DTR works. I'm going to go back to SEO GPT to Content Barista. And as you can see, our latest article is finished. So I'm going to select ready. And as you can see, our overall SEO score is 90%. Our keyword alignment is at 100%, really focused on the keywords. We have our site alignment, our brand alignment at 80%, and our instructional alignment. So how did it follow my instructions and incorporate it into this article? And now you can see the power of DTR and the power of SEO GPT-2. You can make changes and edits to this content right here. You can add links. You can even take it and go to Content Transformer and transform some subtopics, some content, maybe your main title. You can use Humanizer DTR and humanize it even more. But this is guaranteed to pass the AI detection test, and I feel like this is groundbreaking. And just by a few clicks, you have fully optimized content that's rich with SEO and passes the AI detection test. So please go try it for yourself and let us know what you think. Leave the comments down below and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button, because SEO Vendor is going to release a lot more new videos and a lot more new features.